Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here, and today I'm just going to be bringing you guys my February favorites. February was a really short month, so I don't really have that much to share with you guys, but I still think I have some pretty great products. And luckily this month I don't really have anything I didn't like, probably because I didn't try that many new products, but just stay tuned, keep watching to see the good products that I'm about to hit you with and what you definitely should probably get your hands on. But before all of that happens, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. The button is down there, you want to, as well as follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. All of those are _ it's Gilly. Now let's jump into this video. So, yeah, I have like the tiniest bit of products here in front of me, but I'm just gonna jump straight into all of them. Some skincare products first and foremost. So if you guys saw my Sephora haul video, I talked about purchasing this Belief Aqua Balm Jelly Cleanser, and I've gotta say that I really like this cleanser. It's actually like surprising how much I like this cleanser. I'm almost done with this because this was a smaller version, and so I definitely plan on purchasing the full size for this cleanser. But this is so good. It's so hydrating, and it takes off like your makeup very well, like better than I thought it would. So I don't know, I just think that this is really good cleanser. You could use it morning, evening, whenever. It's super versatile, and I think would work for a lot of different skin types. So if you haven't got your hands on this Jelly Balm cleanser, go ahead and do it, because I think Belief might have done something with this one. And then another Belief item that I have is going to be the moisturizing eye balm cream. So I don't know if y'all remember, I was talking mad shit about this cream because I was like, this is so tiny, like this isn't going to last forever at all. I was wrong. This little cream I've been using consistently, like every night, just because I want to keep like good moisture on my eyes, keep them young, because your girl is getting a little bit on the older side. And legit, this was, it's like amazing, and you just need like a little bit, and like I haven't even used that much. This is still like pretty full, and it goes a long way. I wake up with my eyes just still being nice and hydrated and looking so good. High key recommend. This is another product that is in my cart to buy the full size version of at this moment. So then another skincare product is going to be the Sunday Riley Pink Drink. This is their Firming Resurfacing Essence. I've actually really liked this a lot, mainly because it has a spray. And so a thing with essences is that you're supposed to just like kind of pat them into your face. But I always make a mess of my essences, like even my Tatcha one, like I like it, but I'm always making a mess because of the way you pour it. And like this one really does do what it's saying it's doing, and I really like it for the spray more specifically. I think a lot of essences should just come in this spray, and then they did do a good job of putting like a really good spray on it, because sometimes like something sprays and then it's trash. No, the spray on this is like really nice, and like it like creates a mist that is incredibly like super like soothing. I don't know, but I really like this. I like how it has incorporated itself into my morning routine, and I just think this is kind of a win, just saying. And then the last skincare product that I have here is this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Exfoliating Cleanser. I really like this one specifically because the exfoliation in here is like super micro little beads, and you barely feel that it's like exfoliating your face because it's not harsh, but you can feel the difference like once you wash your face, and you just feel like, yes, like my skin has been exfoliated and cleansed properly. So this is one that I definitely recommend, and of course I recommend this even more because it's a little bit more affordable than like the other products that I have talked about already. And if you are looking for like a non exfoliating version, they do have the Just Hydro Boost Cleanser, which I also really enjoy and is part of my cleanser rotation. But this past month, I just found myself using this one a lot more than I have before, because this has been in my shower for a while and I just like never used it, but this has really been killing the game for me. So then moving on to one hair product, it's going to be this Olaplex number 6 Bond Smoother. And I've just got to say that this little product here has really been like surprising me at every turn. It has definitely created like this difference in my hair, like texture, and I really like it. It's definitely reduces the frizz in my hair, and I feel like my hair is nourished now. I also use a lot of other products in my hair every single day, but I really just feel like this one has made a bit of a noticeable difference that I have noticed obviously the past month or so. And the best part about this is you don't have to use it every day. So I actually use this every like 3-4 days, and I do think it really lasts, because when I go more than like 3 days without using it, that I'm like, my hair's a little off today, like it's not doing its thing and looking as good as it does right now or whatever. So I really like this. The only downside to this product is it is $28 for like 100 mLs of product, and I'm gonna be so sad when I have to repurchase this, like God. And then just a couple more products. We're gonna jump into some makeup right now. First one is gonna be this Nars Orgasm blush. I can't believe this is the Orgasm X. I can't believe it took me this long to finally purchase this blush, but I have been obsessed with this since I purchased it. It's just such a beautiful like coral color. It has a little bit of shimmer in it, and like for me this is honestly like kind of replaced me highlighting a bit, because I just bring it up a little bit higher on my cheekbone just to kind of get a glow from within and nothing too extra. Obsessed with this blush. I love this color on me. I haven't worn blush in a while, and this blush has definitely gotten me excited about wearing blush. Next product is like actually a really weird one. It's this Kylie Jenner Skin Concealer. I do wear the shade Almond, and to be honest, I have not used this product a lot, but then recently I just like kept picking it up, and I really like this concealer because it is a little bit more hydrating than a lot of my other concealers, and the shade is a little bit closer to my skin tone. So this is more of an everyday concealer that I just use to block out these dark circles, baby. And I just found that it's been really working for me. Like, I don't know, I have reviewed this and like a bunch of other products that she came out with at the same time, but this one, yeah, this has really been doing it for me this month. It's like not creasy, and it's a good product. Like, Kylie comes out with a lot of shady things, but this concealer was definitely a win, and I've thoroughly been enjoying it this past month. And then the last product that I have is going to be the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm. This one is in their shade Glass Slipper. Mine no longer looks like a glass slipper because I have put it on top of so many other lipsticks that it has changed the color. But this is still like one of my favorite lip glosses ever, because I'm wearing it right now, obviously. It's just so simple, and it still gives you that pop of life, like those juicy 2000s 90s lips that we were all obsessed with. Like, this is that girl, and I've just been really obsessed with her. So that's kind of why I included her. I literally wear this like so much. I had another bottle that was finished, so that's how much I really love this gloss balm from Fenty. But yeah, like I said, I don't really have anything that was like a miss for me this month, so I'm happy to only bring you guys good news. That's all for today's video. Just a quick fun recap of all these fun products I've had this month. I really hope you guys enjoyed this little video. If you did, go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up, and then click that subscribe button down below. Share this video with your friends on your Instagram, your TikTok, just blow it up, and then go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok _it's Gillyy, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.